Welcome to Cruising with Christ. My name is Pastor Ken. We got some good things for you today. We're going to be looking at some of the things that I bought from Dollar Tree and getting a good idea on how good they work. So let's go. All right, these are some of the things that I bought from the Dollar Tree. All of these accessories that you can buy to use in your car. I mean, we got zip ties that you can use just about for anything. You know, you have lemon scented sponge and wipes, and they work really good. We have a flashlight that actually is pretty lightweight. It shines pretty good, and when you flip it again, it has LED lights. So it works pretty good. We also have a funnel. We have different types of tape, the little sticky things that you can use. And I can show you some things that you can use for this in your car. You have double-sided tape. It works pretty good. Electrical tape. It also has some screwdrivers there. The cool thing about the screwdrivers at the dollar store, I mean, you wouldn't expect this for $1, but they actually are magnetically, see that, linked. So they do have a magnet on them to be from the dollar store. That's pretty cool. They have a fix-all adhesive that I've used before, and it works pretty good. This is only $1.25. It has a utility knife. That's pretty cool. It has scrapers. This is a scraper. They come $1.25, but you get, I think, 2 in a pack, which is pretty cool. They got carpet and upholstery cleaner, and it has Awesome in it. And I use Awesome for a lot of stuff. So when I use this, it works really well. Can of Febreze just to make the car smell good. I use it for. They got this toolbox that you can put stuff in. You know, it has. It's just a small toolbox, but it was only $1.25 for the toolbox. So I bought 2 of them for the different things that I'm gonna use to put them in. And then we have Armor All Ultra Shine. It's a spray wax for your car. They have a tire shine. It works pretty good. And then they have a multi-purpose cleaner. Now, the thing about the Armor All, they also have regular original Armor All, but that original Armor All, it leaves like this film and residue on, you know, when you put it on stuff. But the multi-purpose one, it doesn't do that. It just cleans it, and when it dries, it's no oily residue on there. So that's pretty cool. So these are just a few things that the dollar store has to offer that you could use for your car. You know, and you saw when I went to the store, you know, when I took you guys to the store with me, you saw that they had gloves, and you know, I got a pair of those gloves in my car too as well. They have a lot of things that you can use, and again, like I said, you know, this is like a starter kit for you. If you just didn't have anything, and I think all of this right here it ran me less than, I think it maybe ran me about 20 bucks to get all of this stuff just to have in the car. And that's not bad. It's not bad at all. Right? So these are just a few things that you can get. This chrome, it's a chrome and glass window cleaner. It's like a foam. And when you spray it on the windows, or you spray it on the chrome, it leaves this foam, and then it just cleans real good. It's pretty cool. All right, so if you ever go to the dollar store, check out your dollar store. You might find some things that I didn't cover, and if you do, leave it in the comment, below. All right. Well, that's it for today. Join us next time because we have a lot more mods for the 2013 Dodge Charger. If this is the type of content that you like, please like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, stay cruising with Christ.